Stuck without Wi-Fi? Don't panic. Your phone is basically a portable router. Today I'm showing you the two best ways to share your phone's internet connection: Mobile Hotspot and USB Tethering. But which one is right for you? Let's dive in and find out. First up, the super convenient Mobile Hotspot. This feature turns your phone into a wireless router, broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal. It's perfect for connecting multiple devices at once, like your laptop and tablet, or for sharing your connection with friends. The downside? It can drain your phone's battery pretty quickly. Need something faster and more stable? I'd say hello to USB Tethering. This gives you a direct, wired connection from your phone to your computer using a USB cable. It's generally faster, more secure, and it even charges your phone while you use it. So, which one wins? It depends. Use the Mobile Hotspot if you need to connect multiple devices or want the freedom to move around. Go for USB Tethering for a faster, more stable connection for things like Zoom calls, online gaming, or if your phone battery is running low. Pro tip: always check your data plan first. Some carriers have specific rules or extra charges for tethering. That's it. And now you know how to stay connected no matter where you are. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.